Hi there folks, it's Gordon Mack here, IT Manager at James Frew. I just wanted to put a short video together to explain to you about Office 365. I know a few people have been asking since it's been introduced at James Frew, what is Office 365, why do we have Office 365? So put a short video out there and let everybody understand. We'll start with what is Office 365. Well, now Microsoft 365. They're both the same thing. It's a rebranding exercise at Microsoft, so you'll see it called both. It's a cloud-based software solution for communication and collaboration. Question around that would be, what is the cloud? The cloud is a branding exercise that tells you that Microsoft are actually hosting the servers and all the IT equipment that you require to run Office 365 in the background. The cloud meaning that you connect to the internet for this, rather than, say, connect back to the office with a VPN, etc. You're going direct to Microsoft for it. What is communication and collaboration? We'll start with the communication. Outlook. You use that daily to send and receive emails and communicate with your colleagues, vendors, customers. And Teams being an add-on to the suite, and the Teams function is where you're going to get video calling, voice calling, or chat function, again, to communicate in-house with colleagues or externally with vendors or customers. So that is basically what they are pushing with in the cloud, is communication and collaboration. Why do we have Office 365 at James Frew? Well, there's a couple of reasons for that, and the main reasons being listed here: accessibility, reliability, security, scalability, and the standard. So accessibility, you will be able to access the Office 365 suite, any files saved within it, any information saved within it from any device. Because this is held in the cloud with Microsoft, you can connect to this with your Office laptop, with an iPad, with a phone, and going forward, access to your information is what's going to drive the business from an IT point of view, and Office 365 offers that. Reliability, well, that's to do with the fact that we are leveraging on Microsoft reliability in a global scale. We'll be connecting to large data centers where this Office 365 is held, in the places like London or Paris, which is all automatically behind the scenes replicated with each other. So we don't need to worry that there is any issues with a James Frew data center in the office, or a James Frew property, because we're actually leveraging Microsoft's reliability on that. Security, again, we're passing that off to Microsoft and saying to Microsoft, you look after spam, look after antivirus. So they will be scanning all your emails, incoming and outgoing, looking for any malware or virus. So again, by part of signing up for Office 365, it allows us to leverage the security that Microsoft offer to every company. The scalability, well, that's actually very key to any sort of Office 365. You are now saying we can get new people started in the company and we can scale up extremely quickly. No longer do we need to go to an IT shop and buy software licenses and buy anything that's required to run Microsoft Word or Outlook. We can go online, we can click one button, and within minutes we have scaled up, and we're now have the ability to use the Office products and the Microsoft products within seconds. The standard, well, the standard is that across every industry and every company, people are moving to Office 365. And by us staying within that standard, it allows us to look in the market and bring people on board with very little training, with very little time required for them to have the skill set to start using the software suite. It is a standard now that's across the world. And by staying within Office 365, we then start to use that standard also. So I hope that gives everybody a bit of insight as to what Office 365 is and why we're using it. Again, you'll use Word, Excel, Outlook, Access. They're all part of the suite now going forward, and will continue to drive to get all of the different advantages of Office 365. So thanks very much. Anyone's got any questions, drop me an email. Thank you.